Hello and welcome to the Forking Around YouTube channel. This is a compilation of all of the short form videos I did over the past week. I'm going to be doing these every week. Let me know if you like them in the comments and what spots you want me to try. Enjoy. I did it. I went to Masala Waves in Huntington Beach to try some Nepalese food for the first time ever. This is a really nice restaurant. It's super spacious. They've got beer and wine. They've got a lot of different tables, and it just feels like a great place to dine in and eat. But let's talk about the food. We're gonna start with this spinach dip naan. I have never heard of that before, and it is incredible. It's so creamy and flavorful. It comes with this mango mint dip. Can't get enough of it. Want a bottle of it. Want to take it home. It's excellent. Then we're going to try a traditional Nepali meal, momos. These are little dumplings stuffed with ground chicken, spices. They're so flavorful. It's awesome to experience a dumpling with all of those great spices inside. It just really hits you as you're going through it. Super tasty. And then we're going to try a plate that's half fish tikka and half artichoke. The artichoke is super flavorful. It's covered in this great yogurt sauce, but the fish, it literally melts in your mouth. You take a little bite, it just goes, it just dissolves right on your tongue. And of course I wanted to try a classic. I got some chicken tikka masala, some rice, some garlic naan. Of course I love garlic naan. It's super flavorful. All in all, this is just an amazing restaurant. It's a hidden gem here in Huntington Beach. I would definitely come back here. This is a spot to check out, to dine in. They have a lot of the classics, but they also have a lot of really interesting food. And if you haven't tried momos before, this is your sign to do it. They're amazing. I did it. I went to the Monta Factory in Pasadena to try Monta for the first time. So I just learned about Monta today, actually. It is basically a dumpling, a spiced beef surrounded by a pastry topped with a yogurt and tomato sauce. This particular version right here is Armenian. However, other cultures do it as well. Sometimes it's called Monti or Montu. Oh my gosh, they're so small. Okay, wait, that is incredible. The beef itself is flavorful, it's spiced, it's juicy, and then this dough, it's just like so light, so airy. Then you get the sauce and the yogurt, this creamy tomato kind of taste surrounding it. It is phenomenal. It's not just the flavor that's cool, but the texture of this. And they're so small. It's perfect. Look at how tiny they are. They're like the perfect little bite. Food is amazing, let me tell you. I had no idea this existed this morning, and now it's in my mouth. This is amazing. Beautiful. They're delicate yet sturdy. This whole tray was $13. It's the small size. They have a larger one for like $17. I would share this. It's a great amount of food. It's so tasty. They have this location in Pasadena, and I think they also have one in Glendale. Definitely worth checking out, though. If you've never tried this, this is so worth it. I did it. I went to Uncle Paulie's in Studio City to try a sandwich. I was just craving a sandwich today, and I've never been to this spot. They have a few locations around. I was like, what the hell? Let's go to Uncle Paulie's. This is the Gina. It's got mortadella, burrata, pickled onions, arugula, extra virgin olive oil, and I believe balsamic. I had no idea what to get. I just got what sounded good to me. And burrata and mortadella always sound good to me. Cheers. That's a nice sandwich. It's actually an incredibly well-balanced sandwich. It's very muted, though. It's not crazy in your face. There's some acid, there's the creaminess, there's the saltiness. The bread is holding well. It feels like crunchy, but it has a good give to it, you know? And then I like how much, look at how much arugula they put on it. I like that. So you get like some crunch as you're going in. This isn't the type of sandwich that's like gonna wow you. You're not gonna be like, oh my gosh, what is that? But it's super solid, like everything makes sense. However, I do think this would go great with Rusty's chips. I'm always that guy. Best potato chips in the world. Sometimes when there's a little cheese hanging over the edge like that, I just like to take my chip and just do that. It's like a high-end nacho. And because I'm still a kid at heart, they have a lot of different sandwiches in there. I'm curious what the others taste like. I'm definitely down to try them. They've got good quality ingredients, and it is a good salad sandwich. I'm so healthy that I'm just saying salad now instead of sandwich. I did it. I went to Taco Bell to try some of the new items. So they have these new boxes, a Classic, Supreme, and Discover Luxe boxes. They're $5, $7, and $9. These are the cheesy dipping burritos. They're designed to be shared. Or not, like me. I'm not gonna share these. You can get them with chicken or steak. I got them with chicken. They come with a dipping sauce. I got nacho cheese. You could get a different kind if you want. Yep. Oh, yeah. These are delightful. They fit right in your hand. Yep. I love their cantina chicken too. It's so good. Bing, bing, bing,
ding ding. These are great. They're perfect as like a snack. You bring these to your honey, your sweetie, and you go, hey, I got you a little dipper. Let's rip it together. It brings people together. We're ripping and we're coming together. Get it with the box for $9. It's so much food. Taco Bell's doing it, guys. I keep saying it. This is their other new item, the garlic steak nacho fries. I added jalapenos because I know how to do Taco Bell right. Garlic steak much at Taco Bell? Yes, please. Cheers. This steak is so garlicky and delicious. These are awesome. Taco Bell, doing it again. In these uncertain times, it is nice to know that we have Taco Bell, and they're looking out for us.
Here are 4 of my current cravings in the IE. First up in Riverside, the fish tacos from Miches de la Baja. And then in Chino Hills, literally anything from Kailash Parbat, the vegetarian vegan Indian restaurant that is exceptional. And in Eastvale at Slice House by Tony Gemignani, there is a slice of pizza that they only serve at that location, and it is the Cherry Bomb. And finally, out in Indio, the Trump Card Sandwich from TKB Bakery. It's amazing. What spots do I need to try in the IE? Last night, the newly formed LA Pizza Alliance performed an LA miracle. Over a dozen pizza spots and other restaurants gathered together at Les Sordids in Chinatown to give hundreds of pizzas to the people affected by the LA fires and those bravely fighting them. Dozens of people came to lend a hand, cooking, organizing, delivering pizzas all over Los Angeles. I personally have always said that LA is the greatest city in the world, and while I didn't need any proof to know that, the way that this city has come together in the aftermath of this tragedy has shown everyone how truly special this place is. There are so many great ways to help, but something we should never take for granted is our LA restaurant community. So please continue to support them and be there for them, because they will always be there for us. Also consider donating to sliceouthunger.org to help further, and stay safe. I did it. I am in Frisco, Texas to go to Hutchins BBQ. I'm going to the airport in like 2 hours and I haven't had barbecue yet. So let's do it. All right, you guys, I am not sure if I went the right way or the wrong way, but what I got is I got pulled pork, brisket, and this Texas-style Twinkie, which is like, it's a jalapeno. It's not a Twinkie. Just look at it. It's got like cream cheese on the inside. For sides, I just wanted to try a few different things. So we got some cream corn, we got some baked potato, got potato salad, broccoli salad, fried okra, and mac and cheese. Let's just do the brisket real quick like that. It's so succulent. Unbelievably good. Got some sweet tea. Wow, that brisket is phenomenal. Let's try this pulled pork. The house barbecue sauce. Wowzer. Can't believe I just said that. That came out of my mouth. God, this is why I'm single. It's incredible. All right, I'm gonna try some sides now. I don't even know what to do. Cream corn. Holy mother. That is the best cream corn I've ever had in my life. In my whole life. Let's try some of this broccoli salad. Oh. It's got like this sweet and tangy vibe, a little bit vinegary potato salad. Ooh. Get a lot of like pickled brine flavor in there. Really good. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese I would probably pass on, but fried okra. Oh yeah. We gotta try this Texas Twinkie. That's wild. It's a bacon wrapped fried jalapeno with cream cheese. Yeah, I'll take 9 of them. This is amazing. This is amazing. Well, that was very tasty. I'm ready to pass out on the airplane. What kind of bird was that? All right, see ya. If you are an Orange County beer lover, you're gonna need one of these. These are the Pint Life Passports. It features 22 Orange County breweries, and what you do is you pay $25 and you can go to any one of the 22 breweries where you can get a beer for only a penny. This passport literally pays for itself if you visit just 3 of these spots, and it has amazing breweries like Villains Brewery, Noble Ale Works, Rad Beer Company, Rip Beer, Beechwood, and a bunch of other spots. So if you're an OC beer lover, you're definitely gonna want one of these, or if you know one, these make for a great gift. Whatever you do, make sure you tip your bartenders and enjoy all the amazing beer that OC has to offer. Head to their website or Instagram page for more details. I did it. I went to Station 43 on Melrose to try their pastrami sandwiches. This restaurant just opened and they do burgers and pastrami sandwiches. They house make their pastrami. It is 14-day cured, 12-hour house smoked. It looks amazing. They have 3 different pastrami sandwiches. This one is the grit. Pastrami, homemade secret sauce, and fresh ciabatta bread. Cheers. Oh my God. That pastrami is so good. I mean, just look at it. It's freaking delicious.
That is some seriously amazing pastrami. It's excellent. I've never had pastrami on a ciabatta, but that crunch, that crisp to it works so well. The sauce is like a little bit mustardy. This is a great sandwich. This one right here is more traditional. This is the strong. So it's on rye bread. It's got Dutch cheese, sauerkraut, crunchy pickles. It's got house-made Russian dressing and mustard. I cannot wait to try this. It's phenomenal. It's phenomenal. It's just out of this world delicious. The pastrami is beautiful. The bread, there's sauerkraut and sauce, and it's just delicious. This is so good. Okay, Station 43 on Melrose. Welcome to the city. I gotta try the burgers next time, but the pastrami is amazing. They also have fries that are made in the air fryer. And I don't miss the oil. I did it. I went back to Levain Bakery to try their brand new cookie. It's the coffee toffee cookie. I have not stopped hearing great things about this. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, it smells like coffee and toffee and a cookie. Oh, no. Oh, no. This might be my new favorite cookie. It's phenomenal. It's not too sweet. It's got that little bit of bitterness from the coffee and then the crunch from the toffee. It's delicious. If you are a fan of coffee and toffee, you will love this. Oh. Come on. Yep, that was it. Hit the spot. If you are near a Levain Bakery, you need to try that. In LA, it's on Larchmont. It's here. I think it's just limited time, so go try it. It's so good.
Thanks so much for watching. If you have a moment to like and subscribe this YouTube video, it would really help me out, and have a great day.